Teacher's Bell. We're learning rings a bell. Flashcards practice multiplication grade 2 to 3 easy level part 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. 0 times 4 equals 0. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 3 equals 9. 0 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 5 equals 25. 4 times 1 equals 4. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 5 times 2 equals 10. 2 times 4 equals 8. 1 times 1 equals 1. 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. 5 times 1 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 0 times 1 equals 0. 5 times 3 equals 15. 1 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 2 times 0 equals 0. Teacher's Bell. We're learning rings a bell.